guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, we will be doing another TikTok made me try it video. This time we will be doing it on this beautiful unit by Sensationnel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday, and you don't want to miss them. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, so the unit I will be talking about today is the Butta Lace Butta Unit 5 in the color number 2 by Sensationnel. This is my first time trying this brand, and this is also my second synthetic wig try that I found on TikTok. So this is another TikTok made me try this wig install. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my first one. After you watch this one, of course, give this one a thumbs up. But let's get into this. So this is what the card looks like. Sorry, it's a little ripped up. I had a hard time getting it out the box. And it comes in a lot of different shades. I just purchased it in the color 2, but it comes in a lot of different shades. And this is what she is looking like. So it's very dense, very thick, full wig. If you live where it's really hot, you may want to thin some of this out, of course, but it's giving virgin hair, vacation hair. I mean, it's really pretty. Now, it does only come in the middle part. It does come with combs and adjustable strap. For the sake of this video, I will not actually be laying it down. If you want a video where I actually lay my units down, all you have to do is check out any of my previous wig installs, especially my detailed red wig install. It shows how I cut my lace and how I do my installs as well. So I will be skipping that part, but I have already placed powder foundation on my wig cap, and I already have the powder foundation on the inside of the part and on the outside. Okay, so as you can tell, I didn't add any adhesive. I just laid my baby hairs down with some wig grip gel and some wrap lotion. But I didn't have to add any adhesive because this wig is actually a little snug. So I wouldn't say it's big head friendly. I would say it's probably a medium cap size. It does come with adjustable straps in the back. So I tightened it so I don't need the adhesive to hold it down. It's not gonna go anywhere. In case you guys need to see, you know, she is down. I love these curls, I really do. Like, this is a beautiful unit, and you would not think that it's synthetic, but it is synthetic. Now I hadn't really got many tangles, but I don't really wear big hair, so I tried to keep the curls in their natural state, just because I know with curls like this, the more you comb them, the bigger they get. And like I said, I don't really wear big curls, but I think this unit is beautiful. I would recommend it as well. I mean, maybe these people on TikTok know what they talking about. I'm just saying, this is the second unit I done got because of TikTok, and she is giving. I mean, look at that. Look at the body. Let's get into the back of it. See how full it is? You don't see any tracks back there. I like it. And although it comes with the middle part, because it's ear to ear, you can still style it different ways. So like how I had it, you know, clipped back like this, I think that's a pretty style. Let's see here. Let's throw a little twisty twist right there and clip it to the back. Do the same for the other side. Little twisty twist right there. And clip it to the back. And see, now you have a totally different hairstyle that is given as well. So I like it. I will recommend it. I purchased this wig from SamsBeauty. I will have a link down below for you guys to purchase it. You can also buy it on Amazon, but it was just cheaper on SamsBeauty. That's why I bought it from SamsBeauty. And I ordered it on like a Monday and it shipped the next day, and I got it in like 3 or 4 days. So especially if you know, getting ready to go on vacation or you need something quick. Of course, if you have Amazon Prime, that always works too, but I'm trying to help everybody across the board. So yeah, then I think it's definitely bang for your buck. I mean, I paid 42 bucks for it. It's $42.99, so roughly 43 bucks for it. And I think it's, you know, they definitely could charge more than that on the website. So I actually really like it. Like, I really do like it. I do. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below some more things you guys would like to see. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these wig installs, because I am enjoying doing them. I'm enjoying trying new looks and bringing new things to the channel. Give me a thumbs up if you did like this video. As always, thank you for tuning in and watching it. I really do appreciate every like, every comment, every share that I get. You have no idea how much I appreciate the tribe. You guys rock with me, and I really do love you guys. As always, thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you in my next one.